Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the zipper tape and identifying exactly which teeth are missing and where the slider is stuck. Use tape to hold fabric away so you can work. This prevents snags and gives you room to manipulate the slider. Immediately trim any frayed tape and remove debris so replacement teeth will seat properly. Once done, position the slider just below the missing section so you can test reinstallation. This initial setup saves time and prevents further damage as you continue. You now work on the damaged section. Remove the top stop with small pliers and slide off the zipper if that gives better access. Insert replacement teeth or use a tooth repair kit, aligning each replacement so the interlocking faces match the intact teeth. Crimp each new tooth firmly but not excessively. This secures them without crushing the tape. Once the new teeth are in, run the slider over them slowly by hand to confirm engagement and smoothness before reattaching stops. Finish by reinstalling the slider and securing the top stop or stitching a locking stop in place so teeth cannot slip off. You should test the entire zipper several times, moving the slider slowly to check for catching and proper interlock. Lubricate with a tiny bit of soap or wax to smooth motion. If the slider still skips or separates the tape, make sure teeth are perfectly aligned and crimps even. If problems persist, replace the slider or consider replacing the entire zipper as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.